I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing a billing dispute on DoorDash, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DoorDash website and sign into your account using your email and password. This is the first step to accessing your order history and billing information. Step 2. Access order history. Once logged in, navigate to the orders section from the main menu. Here, you can find a list of your past orders, which is essential for identifying the disputed charge. Step 3. Identify the disputed charge. Locate the order that corresponds with the billing issue. Click on it to view the details, including the total amount charged. Make sure to note any discrepancies. Step 4. Initiate a dispute. Look for the option to report an issue or dispute the charge. This is typically found at the bottom of the order details page. Fill out the required information explaining the nature of the dispute clearly. A quick tip: if you received a promotional discount that didn't apply, mention that in your dispute for clarity. Step 5. Submit and wait for response. After completing the dispute form, submit it and wait for a response from DoorDash. They usually respond within a few days, so keep an eye on your email for updates. I hope this helps you resolve your billing issue smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.